All right, good morning, second grade students. Today for our science, we are going to be looking at a comprehension paragraph on polar bears. A polar bear sometimes covers its nose and mouth with its paw. The polar bear does this when it is hunting. Why would a polar bear cover its nose and mouth? A polar bear does not want to be seen. It wants to surprise its prey. It covers its dark nose and mouth so they cannot be seen. This makes the bear hard to see in its white, snowy world. Out of all the bears, the polar bear is the best swimmer. It can swim over 60 miles or 97 kilometers without stopping. The polar bear paddles with its front feet. The front paws, or feet, are webbed like a duck's feet. A polar bear uses its back paws to steer. Out of all the bears, polar bears have the longest heads. They have the longest noses too. Polar bears have a keen sense of smell. They can smell seal dens or homes. Sometimes a den is covered by over 4 feet or 1.2 meters of snow and ice. Still, the bears can smell the seals. They pound on the top of the den until the roof falls in. Then the bears dive in. Polar bears look white. The surprise is that they have black skin. Their hair has no color at all. Each hair is a hollow tube. The bear looks white when sunlight bounces off of the hollow tubes. Not all the sunlight bounces off of their hair. Most of the sun's rays pass through the hollow tubes. Then the bear's black skin traps the rays. This helps keep the bear warm. How do polar bears stay warm in the icy water? They have a layer of fat under their black skin. This fat layer is called blubber. The blubber can be more than 4 inches or 10 centimeters thick in places. Polar bears have lots of fat, but they have little ears. Big ears would stick out. Then the ears would freeze. All right, and that concludes our reading comprehension paragraph today for science.